I want to make some fucking slime, nigga. Y'all niggas ready to make some fucking slime? Oh shit.
Jesus Christ.
The bar came off. Alright, now what you need is a bowl, some Kids 2-in-1 Suave, some fucking Colgate, nigga. Alright, what y'all gonna need? A bowl, some 2-in-1 Suave, some fucking Colgate, nigga. Let's get to this shit. Hold up.
Careful.
Nigga, you gotta get up here. Come on.
Get that angle.
Come on, get up.
Recording.
For real?
You.
Is it still on?
Now it is.
Fuck, Chris, record next time. Just, all right, go put some toothpaste in this bitch. Fuck, where's the trash can? Hold up. $2. Next. Yo, 2-in-1 Suave. I don't know how much I need. Where's the spoon? Oh, there's the spoon. Then you gonna mix it up. Dog, this might take a while.
Nice.
Yo, it's working.
Nice.
It's gooey. Fuck, we gonna need some napkins. Y'all put it in the freezer? Alright, niggas, now you gotta put this shit in the freezer. Chris, get your fucking jeans out the fridge.
Hey, my bad, bro. Just leave them in there.
You go ahead.
They'll be aight.
2 hours later.
Quick nap.
Good night.
Y'all niggas ready to play with your fucking slime? I don't think it's gonna work.
Damn!
This bit thick as fuck. Where do I put it? It's right here. What should I make? We got fucking slime, niggas.
Hey!
Dog.
I said good night.
Niggas, we can't turn it off.
Alright.
Nigga, what the fuck? What is this? This shit ain't slime.
I was like, use the right portion.
No shit, it was one ingredient slime.
We missed the whole fucking premise of this shit.
You know how much we spent making this fucking video?
Alright. Turn it back on. Keep your hands like that.
Alright, now that we finished the fucking slime, next we go eat a fucking top out if we hit 1K likes, nigga. Run them shits.
You so fucking precious when you smile.